everyone. Today is Mother's Day, May the 12th. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. Today we are at Walgreens and they are coming in hot again this week, guys, with some amazing deals. So let's get into it. But first, if you don't mind, definitely follow me and hit that like button, guys. I hope you enjoy these deals. This also is my first YouTube video, so make sure you say hi in the comments. So let's get into the first deal. With the Dove shampoo and conditioner, they are BOGO this week, and we have that $5 off coupon to use. So we're gonna pick up two for $7.48. But remember, we got that $5 off two coupon, leaving us to pay only $2.48 out of pocket, but we getting that $5 in registered rewards. And also we have a fetch offer. We're gonna get back 50 cents for each one of them, guys. So our final cost will be free plus a $3.52 money maker. Next, we're gonna head to the oral care section, guys. The Crest and Oral-B this week is when you buy two, you get $3 and register rewards. So we're going to pick up one of these Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3. And we're going to use a $3 off two Crest and Oral-B products. Now with this same promotion, we're going to head over to the toothpaste aisle and we're going to pick up one of these Crest 3D white toothpaste, guys, priced at $4. We're picking up this specific kind because we have a Ibotta rebate on these, $2 back. So we're going to pay $4 at the register. We get back $3 in register reward along with that $2 Ibotta rebate, leaving our final cost to be free plus a $1 money maker. Next, we're going to head to the feminine care product aisle. And guys, the Summer Eve is 25% off this week. But not only that, when you buy two, you get $5 in register rewards. So I'm going to pick up one of these items priced at $3.99. But guys, remember it's 25% off, so $2.99. And also we're going to pick up one of these wipes. So I made a mistake, guys. I thought these were $3.79. So you're going to pay $7.33, but get back $5 in registered rewards. So guys, I'm finished checking out. So I forgot to tell you guys, I did use $6 in registered rewards. So my final cost was $7.81 at the register, but I got back a total of $13. $5 for buying the Dove products, $3 for buying the Crest and Oral-B, and another $5 for buying the Summer's Eve. Now I know you can see that my other $5 is not shown because we did have a problem with the Catalina machine. It didn't print out. The Catalina machine did messed up and it printed out blank. So what I had to do was call customer service, guys, and they give me back your $5 on your account. And also I get back that $1 rebate on fetch. So after register rewards and cashback offers, guys, my final cost was free plus a money maker. So this is some amazing deals to take advantage of this week at Walgreens. Happy savings!